PGDEx-VLFM is a one-year, full-time residential executive management diploma program jointly conducted by IIM Mumbai and IIT Delhi to groom the emerging leaders for mid and senior level managerial positions. Post-graduation diploma for executive visionary leaders for manufacturing is a unique program that fulfills the current industry's growing demand for techno-managerial leaders who shape the neo-industrial revolution. The course has been designed in consultation with CII. IIM Mumbai imparts students with knowledge in operations, supply chain management, and leadership, while IIT Delhi integrates the most current and emerging trends and technologies prevalent in the industry. This program gives an exposure to world-class manufacturing facilities across the globe to bring a change in the thought process from small m to big M and provide a vision to look at the invisible through the third eye. Introducing the class of 2024. Cohort of 31 visionary leaders with an average experience of 6.4 years from diverse background and functional experience.
For me, this journey has been a game changer, right from sharpening my managerial skills to diving into the cutting edge tech. So it's been an incredible experience and I'm really excited for what lies ahead.
Till now, this journey has been really transformative because of dedicated professors, case study-based real-world learning, and the perfect blend of technological and managerial skills enhancement.
We are VLFM.